Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to change your account name on Best Buy. We will also put links in the description below for Best Buy deals and promotions for you to check out. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out our future videos. To start, open the website bestbuy.com. Then click on the account option. A drop-down list will appear and you will see an option for Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On this page, you will see section for your info. Under your info is an option for change your account name. Click on change your account name. Now, beside name, you will see an option for update. Click on update. To confirm your identity, a verification code will be sent to the email address associated to your account. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on the enter button. Next, enter the new account name you wish to use on the fields provided. Lastly, click on Save. And that's how you change your account name on Best Buy. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.